Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to take input in Java. Basically, there are two ways of taking input in Java. Number one is by using scanner class. Scanner class is found in the package called utility. This method is shorter and more convenient. The second method of taking input is by using buffered reader class. This class is found in input output package. This method is little lengthy as compared to the scanner class method. Let us understand both the methods with the help of. So let us start by the use of the first method, that is by using scanner class. We'll start by creating a new class. Let us name the class use input since we are going to use the input. So double click. Control A and delete. So the class name is use input. Let us write the main function. Okay, whenever we are using a scanner class, we need to import it. First, let us import it. We have to bring the scanner class which is present in the package named utility. So we'll import java.util.scanner. Okay, since scanner is a class which is non-static, means it is not a static class, we need to create an object so that we can use the different functions present in that class. So to create an object, we have the operator called new, and then we are going to create a new object of the scanner class. So we'll write scanner. Scanner is the class name. Object, any name can be given. New operator, scanner class, and in that class we are passing the argument system.in. So we have created an object over here. So I can give a object created. So once the object is created, now we can give a message to the user saying to give us an input. So system.out.println enter, say any number. So to take this input, we need to use the object which we have created from the scanner class, and then we will take this input with the help of the function, appropriate function. Since I am taking integer, say supposing integer number is my variable, so object, the object which we have created, and next integer is the function with the help of which we can take this number. So we have taken the number given by the user. So let me write here an output, means this is going to give us an output. This is a comment. Double slash indicates single line comment. So system.out.println number is the number input. So let us compile it. Let's run the program. Okay, any number, so 76. So 76 is the number input. The number which we have given has been taken in the program. Now with the help of scanner class, we can also take the input of different data types. Like supposing I want to take the input of, say, your name, that is a character or string, words. So how to do that? Let me write here a comment that string input is to be taken. String input. So to avoid confusion, I am creating a new object here. Scanner, say in is my new object. New scanner. Okay, here we are taking the data type string. Let me give the message to the user first so that the user can input a string. Say enter any word. Any word. So string, say the name of the variable is word itself. Next, so the object name in dot next line. Next line is the function for taking string input. So we have taken this. Let me add over here itself /n plus word. Is the string input. Okay, done. So let us compile it. Say 56. Enter any word, say yug. So 56 is the number input and yug is the string input. So this is the method of taking input in scanner class. It is pretty simple. Just import the scanner class, create an object of that class, and then take the input with the appropriate function. So let us now understand how to use the buffered reader class. I am going to take the very same program itself. Simply we'll make certain changes over here. Now first of all, there will be no use of the scanner, so I am going to remove this entire portion, and since buffered reader class is present in the package named input output, so we need to import java.input output, and I am going to keep it blank right now. Okay, first let us understand it. We basically have buffered reader class inside another class. Means there is another class named input stream reader, and inside it we have the buffered reader. So we need to create the object of both the classes. So input stream reader is one of the class which contains the buffered reader. So I am first creating an object of input stream reader. Let me create an object, say ST is the new object, with the help of the new operator and the class name itself, input stream reader. And here we are passing the argument system.in. So we have created a object of input stream reader. And again, with the help of this object, we are going to create the object of buffered reader. Let's give the name of this object as obj equals to new buffered reader with the help of the previous created object. I hope this is clear. We have first created the input stream reader object over here, inside which we have the buffered reader. So we are creating another object for buffered reader with the help of the object which we have created in input stream reader. Now this can be written in one sentence itself. I am writing over here so that you will be able to understand. We can write it in one statement itself rather than writing two statements. Buffered reader, here the object is obj, is equal to new buffered reader. Now inside the bracket we are going to put the object of the input stream reader. That is what we have done over here. We have taken the object. So we are, rather than writing it in two steps, we are going to create the object directly over here by writing new operator, new input stream reader, and here again we have the argument we have to pass, system.in. I hope this is clear. Either ways it is, we can do that. Okay, I am going to use the second method. So I am going to make this two as comment. Okay, since we are taking two different classes, buffered reader and input stream reader, rather than writing it in two lines, io.buffered reader and again import java.io.input stream reader, we can directly put a star mark which indicates I am including all the classes of input output util package. So let us now start by taking the input. So buffered reader basically takes everything as a string. So it will be very convenient if I start taking the input as a string. So system.out.println enter any word. So we are declaring the string data type string word is equal to object dot, the function used here is read line. It's not next line but rather read line. So we are going to take the word input. Okay, before that, one more thing has to be noted down. There might be issues while using the buffered reader. So it's very preferable that you must be using a input output exception which the computer can handle whenever there is an error. So we have to write here throws input output exception. So this has to be indicated. So whenever there is an error, the compiler can handle it. So here I am going to remove this for few minutes. Okay, let's compile it and run it. Okay, enter any word. So say supposing done. So done is the string input. So let's clear this up first. I'll show you once again. Say Java. So Java is the input string. So now let us take an integer input. To avoid confusion, I am creating a new object over here. I am copying this. And here I am giving the object name, say in. This is the input for number, and this we are going to do for, sorry, this is for the string, not number, and this one is for the number. Okay, here we have created the in operator. Enter any number and it will be integer, say number itself, number. Now since it takes everything, I am going to write it in a reverse way. So basically we write in this form of the object name, and the function here is the same function. There are no two different functions, but rather we are using the same function, that is read line. So this is my function. Now this, the value which is taken by read line, it is actually a string and we want an integer number. So we need to change it. So we have to do that by taking integer dot, we are going to parse that integer. So we are going to parse the value which is given as the string, which is taken as string, into integer, and then it will be fed into that number. So here control V, sorry, control Z. Okay, here let us add this number which we have taken from the user, that is number plus width is the number input /n plus. Okay, so please make sure buffered reader always takes any input in the form of string, and this we are going to take as integer. It is not string. So for that reason we have to convert it into integer. The string value which is taken by the buffered reader has to be converted into integer, and for that reason we use integer dot parse int. So now let us compile the program, run it. Okay, enter any word. So hello, number 8. So 8 is the input number or the number input, and hello is the string input. So I hope this clears out both the methods by using the scanner class and also by using the buffered reader class. How can we take input? To summarize, we simply create an object first. In both the methods, we are simply first creating the object of the particular class. We import those classes, and with the help of those objects and the appropriate function, we take in the input. So I hope your concepts are clear. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel, and we'll soon meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.